Hello lovely, did you know that Mother's Day has a revolutionary past? Many of us celebrate this special day with flowers and gifts, but the origins of Mother's Day are wrapped in a rich tapestry of history, stretching back to ancient civilizations. Let's delve into this fascinating journey together. Long before it became a hallmark of greeting cards, Mother's Day was celebrated in ancient Greece and Rome, with festivals held in honor of the mother goddesses. Later still, the tradition was brought to early Christian ceremonies to celebrate motherhood in a more sacred tone. These historical roots highlight how deeply ingrained the celebration of mothers is in our cultural evolution. In the heart of the 19th century, a remarkable woman named Anne Reeves Jarvis started Mother's Day working clubs to teach local women how to properly care for their children. However, it was her daughter Anna Jarvis who truly ignited the flame that would transform these humble beginnings into a national celebration. After her mother's death, Anna was determined to honor her and all the mothers for their unconditional love and sacrifices that mean so much to us. Anna tirelessly campaigned, and in 1914, her perseverance paid off when President Woodrow Wilson officially declared the second Sunday of May as Mother's Day. As the years passed, the day expanded with the recognition of mothers and flowers with greeting cards to commemorate and symbolize the nurturing relationship between mothers and their children. Imagine a day that transcends the simple exchange of gifts and becomes a profound celebration of the maternal bond. Mother's Day offers us a unique opportunity to strengthen the family ties and reflect on the profound impacts mothers have on our lives. It's not just about the commercial aspect, it's about pausing to appreciate the nurturing figures who have shaped us. This day serves as a reminder of our shared human experiences and the unconditional love that mothers worldwide embody. Let's celebrate Mother's Day as a moment for personal and collective reflection, offering the true essence of what it means to celebrate motherhood. This Mother's Day, why not express your love through creativity? As a jewelry designer, I find deep joy in creating unique pieces that capture the essence of individuality and affection. A special piece of jewelry from the mothers in your life is one way to show them how much she means to you. But then take a moment to share the most important thing you can do as a gift that's just special. A heartfelt expression of appreciation and love by spending time together. Happy Mother's Day from HerMJ, where jewelry rocks.